Product highlight for today guys is the project na water bottle and also itong ating enemy grips. This comes in a variety of colors. May red, merong army green, may pink. Yan. So yung kanyang flange niya, meron siyang engraved na enemy. And also may mga kapartner to guys na pedals. Pwede niyan i-set up sa mga bikes. And kung naghahanap kayo ng U-brake, meron din tayong enemy U-brake na available. Aluminum to guys. And clear pads na yung kasama niya. And also, kung naghahanap kayo ng handlebar, meron tayong DLC na drink-up bar. Maganda to guys pag naka-mountain bike ka, gravel, or yung mga touring setups nyo. Maganda yan. Kanyang material is 6061 aluminum. Width nito is 760 mm guys. And 105 rise and 31.8 clamping. All of these guys are available at our Lazada page and also at our site bmxcyclecenter.com.